Hey everybody, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today is the day we get the nest boxes in with our expecting does. So I'm going to show you how we're setting up our new nest boxes so that we can get them in there today for them. Alrighty guys, so I've got our two new nest boxes here and some cardboard. The first thing I'm going to do is put a layer of cardboard down. It'll just help protect the wood a little bit. And then after that, we're going to put some pine wood shavings in. Go put them away, please. And then we're going to pack it with hay. So let's go ahead and get this cardboard cut to size, and then we'll go get the rest of it. Alright, so next we're just going to add some pine shavings to the bottom. We're going to add probably like 2 to 3 inches of pine shavings. That looks good to me, and then I'm going to go ahead and stuff it with hay the rest of the way. So, that's what these boxes are sitting on right now. So. Check it out! Stuff them with some nice hay. And those are ready to go to our does. So let's go ahead and take them back and see how they like them. All right, so these are the two girls we're going to be giving the nest boxes to, Miss Eden and Miss Ravina. So let's go ahead and we'll grab the first box. Sweetie. Go, Mama. Next. So Ravina's box is in. get Miss Eden. Hi, Eden. Hi, sweet girl. There you go, sweet mama. All right. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl. I would rather have it. All right, so that is that. They're probably gonna dig around in there and rearrange it however they want to, and that's okay. For the next couple days leading up to when they're due this coming weekend. Let's see, Tuesday, they're due the 18th. So leading up to the 18th, I'm just going to give them extra hay inside of their cage to encourage hay stashing and nesting behavior, and hopefully we will see them start pulling some fur to line the nests with, and these nest boxes will hopefully work out a lot better than the ones we had last time. So there she goes. I think they like them. What do you think, Miss Eden? What do you think? Alrighty, well, I am going to leave them to explore their nest boxes in peace. I will let you guys know how the kindling goes when that happens. Of course, we're going to give them some time to adjust after giving birth. I don't want to disturb them too much. I think I may have disturbed them a little too much last time, and I want to back off as much as possible this time. So I'm going to leave them to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my content, go ahead and hit the like button on your way out. Please subscribe to my videos. It really helps my channel out. Plus, you'll see any new content that comes on as well. If you have any questions about my nest boxes, what I used to put in them, or any questions relating to bunnies at all, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.